Okay, I'm going to go over my final project for the MIT class MAS 863, how to make almost anything. And basically, the design of the final project is documented in the website. So basically, if you click on the final project, there's the hardware aspects, the software aspects, fabrication, and the admin. So it's basically this device that I created, which goes over my emails, calendar events, weather, and alerts me of important things that I need to do and take care of. The PCB design, well, actually, it's based on a Raspberry Pi embedded controller, and basically that's the Raspberry Pi Pico W, which has a Wi-Fi chip as well, which is right there at the bottom, and which drives a 64 by 64 matrix LED pixel matrix display, and it tells me things about the weather and email and calendar and Slack events and so on. But I've also integrated a amplifier, a digital amplifier, which actually drives a speaker, so it can give me alert sounds and it can maybe one day also speak to me. Also, to provide, I've added a digital microphone, which should be able to take inputs from me and respond to my requests, such as, is there a set of meetings that I need to go to today, and so on, right? So that's the device. And right now it's telling me Cambridge is 41 degrees Fahrenheit, breezy, and so on. And this is the PCB design that went in based on a schematic that I provided with the Raspberry Pi, the hub 75 connector to the display, the amplifier out here driving the speaker, as well as the input mic and so on. I also designed a enclosure, which I'm trying to find out here. Well, I 3D printed this enclosure, the white enclosure that you see. Also built a admin functionality where basically you can see the dashboard, you can set up the device exactly the way you want to, with the display hardware, with the text rendering, and so on. And also you can configure the network with respect to the Wi-Fi, router, password, the MCP bridge server, and so on. Start all your services, stop your services. You can run system tests here and ensure that everything is working correctly. You can, edit your prompts, which turns up, helping the LLMs, filter your messages, and also look at the message history. So this entire admin dashboard, the admin system, actually helps you manage this device really easily. And that's pretty much the final project. And all of it is documented on the website, and which you can access and go over the various details. Okay, thank you.